Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic, smooth, speed ramping video editing using InShot video editor for completely free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot video editor app on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on video and then click on new, and then you can import the videos that you want to edit. And I'm going to choose this video and also this one. Okay, and to make the process faster, let me cut my video. I'm going to cut the video here. Okay, and I'm going to cut the second video as well. Okay, like this. All right, and let me remove the InShot watermark. Okay, done guys, and now it's time to create speed ramping video editing. I'm going to go to the speed menu. I'm going to select the curve, and then we can adjust the curve here. I'm going to move this dot up like this, and also for the last dot, and then I'm going to create this curve. Okay, like this. And then to make it smoother, you can activate the smooth option right here, and then click on the check mark, and you're going to wait until the process completed. Okay, it's almost done. All right, and let's see what we have. And okay, that's so cool. And for the second video, just apply the same speed ramping. You can go to the speed and then select curve, and then just do what I have done before. Okay, just make it like this. All right, and I'm going to apply the smooth and click on the check mark and just wait. Okay, and then I'm going to play it. Okay, this is how the cinematic smooth speed ramping looks like. Okay, and to make it more captivating, you can add music or add filter or effect. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.